3000. Just shout them out, dog.
I'm a mega. Off a female and
Shout them out. X3000. Salute.
I don't know better.
I know I don't have no wants. So why would I have a want? Yeah, go ahead, talk.
My position is a dirt bike task force.
All right, but listen, right?
So now you're just letting me finish. So
right.
Did I put that warrant on you?
I don't know who put it on.
No, I didn't. I can tell you right now, it's not a dirt bike
All right,
warrant.
that's cool.
Okay.
I don't have no other warrants though. So
well, we're gonna verify and check.
If it's not a dirt bike warrant, I know I don't have warrants.
Well, it's not a dirt bike warrant.
All right, cool.
No.
All right, and another thing, I just did a movie in Baltimore. Like, y'all don't want these kids to make it off riding dirt bikes?
Yes, but this is the thing. Did we or did we not lock him up?
I don't know what y'all did.
Well, I'm telling you.
All right, but listen, he called me and told me you came to the door and said, "Hey, give me that bike you're riding that says Chino all over it." Well, you know if the bike say Chino all over it, it's not stolen.
Let me ask you this.
You think I'm gonna really be on a stolen bike?
Okay, no, I don't think the bike's stolen. So let me ask you this. So, what? Back in March, we arrested him on a stolen dirt bike.
That's understandable, but do he have a warrant? Do he have a warrant? So what are you at his house for?
So we can knock on anybody's door.
But what are you at his house for if he don't have a warrant? It don't make sense.
Because he's down on Rachelstown Road riding a dirt bike.
It's public streets.
You can't ride a dirt bike on public streets.
But you're saying you said you're not coming to his house for the bike, right?
That's what we're coming here for.
Right, but how can you go and come to his house without a warrant? It don't make sense.
We can come to anybody's house without a warrant. You got to understand the law. It's called a follow-up.
You know this kid just got shot in his head 2-3 weeks ago, right?
We know, yeah.
So the bike matter more than him getting shot in his head.
That's why we have shooting detectives to handle the shooting investigation.
Come on, man. This
Our job is dirt bikes.
It don't make sense.
So yeah, we don't want to see kids go down, but this is the thing. You can't ride a dirt bike, hence the word dirt bike, on city streets, because guess what? Nobody's stopping for red lights. We've had hit and runs. We've had people
all right, let me ask
killed.
you this. You seen, I made it off riding dirt bikes, right?
Yeah.
Why can't he? Why can't any other little kid make it off riding dirt bikes?
Why taking that bus
because we don't have access to none of that. We come from poverty. We come from nothing.
You ain't poverty no more.
Yeah, I ain't no more.
You got a brand new
that's why I put him in position. I'm putting him in position.
Then get a trailer.
I'm putting him in position now.
Get a trailer and trailer the bike down to where it's supposed to be ridden, not in Baltimore City. You cannot ride a dirt bike on the city streets in the city of Baltimore. That's it.
This shit don't make no sense about a dirt bike. There's so many bodies dropping right now in Baltimore City. It's black. Like, this shit is crazy. You worried about a dirt bike? Like, this shit is crazy. Imagine you listen. All right, you take this kid bike. If you take this kid bike today, then what are you gonna have to do? He gotta go on the corner now and sell drugs or something, right? So what are you going to do?
Why is that the alternative?
What is he going to do? Because we don't have access to shit where we come from.
Why selling drugs the alternative?
Why selling drugs an alternative? It doesn't make any sense.
I never sold drugs, so I'm just saying. I never said you did. I'm just saying. Y'all would want him on the corner, right? So he can how you gonna get another dirt bike? If his family not fortunate enough, how is he gonna get another dirt bike? He gonna turn to the streets. That's why.
Why is that the alternative?
How is he gonna get another dirt bike if his family not fortunate? He's fucking 14 years old.
15.
15.
Get a job.
You can get to work. How you doing? Tyrone, right? Yeah. Who told you?
This shit is crazy.
Alright, so what do I got to do with you saying there's a bike in my house? There's no bike in my house. Where you put me dirt bike at? And I don't know nothing about no dirt bike. Somebody gave me a ride on the dirt bike. That's all I know.
No, he was out on Rachelstown Road yesterday. We both saw him.
It don't matter. Somebody could still give him a ride on the dirt bike.
Like, this shit don't make sense. This what y'all job come down to, like chasing bikes all day. This shit is bad.
Good.
I said, do you want to take a peek?
Man, don't let them take no peep in your house.
He's solving
Tripping.
issues. He's solving issues. Chino, you're
Man,
making
you-
this bigger.
I'm not making it big. I just gotta expose y'all because there's so much other stuff going on that this don't. Y'all make Baltimore look bad. Like really.
Actually, no.
Y'all make Baltimore look because listen.
Actually, no, we
somebody
make it look
listen.
good.
Somebody right now on some other block where you could be patrolling. Is something happening? It's definitely something happening right now, and you
every
here
officer-
worried about something that's so minor. Ain't no Baltimore City police doing their fucking job at all. All pieces of shit, straight like that. All y'all pieces of shit, straight like that. Piece of shit ass police. Crazy.
So you're okay with people riding, 15-year-olds riding dirt bikes through city streets?
For sure, if it's gonna get them out of Baltimore. I did it. Why he
Is that
can't?
the only way out?
I was 9. I was 9 on the streets of Baltimore riding dirt bikes. I made it out.
Is that the only way out? Isn't there something becoming a doctor, a lawyer, a teacher, a police officer, a firefighter? Why did
Baltimore City don't give
make
us that
any
much
sense.
education really to make it there.
and who should be
Bullshit
blamed for not
schools
the
and
Baltimore
shit.
Police Department?
They seen one make it out riding dirt bikes. Now everybody want to do it. Why they can't do it?
Not everybody's as good as Chino.
Everybody don't gotta be as good as me to make it out. That's why we're working on building a league out for it. Things
Then
like that.
go to a dirt bike park. You can't ride through city streets, block traffic, run red lights, kill tourism. Come at Tornado Harbor. Nobody comes to Baltimore to see dirt bikes.
Did he kill tourism? Did he kill tourism? That's the question. Heard us a year. So you
Wall
telling me
Street-
600 dirt bikes? That's
Wall
a lot.
Street Journal did a
In
story
4
on my
years?
unit.
Don't even make sense.
Inside edition. I got 8.
Yeah, it's a
people around the
bullshit
country.
unit. It's a bullshit
It can't be
unit.
that bad of a unit. If it's been notarized in numerous news outlets, people are very happy. Nobody wants to ride down the street and have 50 dirt bikes come past them and stop at red
Well,
lights.
tell them give us a park. Tell them give these black kids that's in poverty a park.
That's
Tell them
not
that.
the police
Tell them that.
department's
Tell them that.
That's-
Tell the mayor. Tell the mayors that don't do shit. Bullshit mayors in Baltimore. Everything. Tell
You
them.
got clout. Get some people together, get some investors, and get a dirt bike park built. I'm sure Hollywood can help you out. They love to get money.
I ain't in Hollywood. See where I'm at. I'm still in my city. That's why I ain't never leave, because I ain't want kids and things to forget where I came from.
But there's other things besides riding a dirt bike. There's a million other jobs. It's just like
Jobs
when
closed right now. It's what? A pandemic. Then you worried about a dirt bike in a pandemic. God damn, boy.
He's 15, so even if it was a motorcycle, he can't ride. He's only 15. Tell him to ride in the park. Take him to Bud's Creek. Places like that. But you can't ride on the city street. And if you want the law changed, then push for the law to be changed. But right now it's the law. And I enforce the law. That's it.
You really enjoy. And you know what's so crazy?
What's that?
I know you ride. I know you ride.
Dirt bikes?
No, you just ride motorcycles, everything, period. I know you ride.
Yeah.
And you love that
Motorcycles.
shit. Don't even make sense.
Motorcycles.
Like, I know you into bikes. You rode
Motorcycles.
dirt bikes and things like that when you was younger.
Never rode dirt bikes.
Cut it out, man. Cut it
Yeah.
out. Cut it out.
All right, what's it for?
Cut it out.
All right.
Huh? Yeah. Hey, yo, huh? Grab this phone
Yeah, good.
so they can
Good.
cuff
Yeah,
me
forward me
because
all
they
that
said I
good
got a warrant. Yeah.
So, it is a warrant for your arrest.
All right, come on, let's get it
Second
over
degree
with.
assault.
Let's get it over with. Second degree assault.
So, apparently, we'll talk.
I ain't gotta talk. You can put me in cuffs right now. Hey, yo, huh?
Right. Bullshit.
You have anything you want to give her? Huh? Tell when somebody when they call get my other phone out there.
I need a cage car.
You want me to have this on here? Want me to have it?
Me and no wagon.
Make it up.
Oh, this is tight as shit on my.
I got 2 fingers in this.
I'm saying they tight.
Turn your hands on your frame. There you go. Perfect.
What you say?
Second degree.
So.
But he just pulled me over 2 weeks ago and let me straight go.
We did verify the warrant.
Don't make sense.
Hey, John. Call 8301.
You put me in the back of the
Not on the radio. Yeah, we got a car. You ain't got a room in the back of this car. That's not good.
Hey, man. Call, I'm gonna send you this number. Call Karen for me. Yeah, they got the, they locked me up. They said I got a warrant for a 2nd-degree assault or something. I'm ready to send it to you right now.
I'm on mine.
Yeah. Hey, this cash right here. Hey, you know what?
Shit. Everybody know right about that.
Yeah. It's we right here on Blue Drive. We put in the car now.
Yeah. Hey, John.
Someone called me. Someone called me. On here. On live. Yeah. Right. Fuck me on, dude. That's crazy. Just came for some other shit.
What's that? Oh, that's the other phone?
Yeah.
It's online?
Yeah, he told me stay online. I'm ready to end it now. Huh.
You know, I don't know.
Think I'm a man.